Kaseng National People's Party hakakat pratrip Kuala Lengkot dakawi kesur kela Jied Biang yau Conrad Sangma como National President, badiu Thomas A. Sangma como National General Secretary. Habayakran bagi nong pathai kubor returning officer uba penyiat election u abhe kasyap ulaong ba shimladan bathep kerteng menekun nagabenta kekerdan National President ba National General Secretary. Kumta ulah penberabu Conrad Sangma ulah Jied Biang como National President, baru Thomas A. Sangma como General Secretary. Klaim kanu-kanu kejing persya, henry shimladan pat manu-manuru ke bantap kerteng na kebenta kakam treasurer. Uliatu baka samai terikam jokini kinong yalam ke NPP ke belah Jied kan kut ha kesenam arhajar arpusan. Ha kebedai bagajing Jied Thomas Sangma como National General Secretary kamtam habakladon kejing keno budan keti ha kakam le be ijot. Na kaliang ukasyap ulaong ba unu ubriau un padai setia wasneu kat bayu rai penram hi de kayeng syari. Bat kene kakam menta kadang don hapreng kejing bishar kayeng syari. Kumta mau berkeseng NPP kemla banrai penrem ya nuru nrekin abbe jike ke bakayeng syari kan aya karai. Halor kejing keli da kejing Jied Thomas Sangma hatukan keta na keseng NPP. Uka syap ulong bayau nu briau on omla ban ong bu de unong le kam sneu kat ba pala ban pinsisha bulale ya kenu ke kam sneu. Kat ba presiden ke NPP Meghalaya unit u Dr. WR Kharluki ulong bakum unong yalam keseng ule yang scam kanong rem nado baladon kejing keno persya unong yalam ke NPP uba nidaman chulet. Bat ula keren syai ba omla banrai penrem ya unu briau kat bayu patla ban pensisha bulale ke kam sneu. Nrai ha kasngi ke bagi yang syari ke pensisha ba de unong le kam sneu on dan jakashu kum yuta hapo keseng.
But as you know, one size doesn't fit all, and one size doesn't fit even the same person at every point in time in the life cycle of that institution or person. We are a relatively young party. We are a very enthusiastic party, and there is a particular set of individuals led by a particular person who have brought us here in record time, and there is a lot of enthusiastic support for these people. It is, as you must be knowing as journalists, that as parties mature, as parties, organizations become older, there are differences of opinion which need to find expression through the process of ballot, election, and different mechanisms which have a democratic stamp of approval. In our case, we are a very young party being led very effectively by a young leader. Now, I am sure democracy does not mean opposition for the sake of opposition. We have conducted a very transparent election, and that is not something every and many parties can say. We have followed procedure as laid down in the constitution, literally to the T. We have crossed the T's and dotted the I's. And I assure you that despite the very superficial appearance of not being contested, this is an affirmation in the leadership, the youthful leadership of a youthful party which is trying to find its place in the firmament and growing.